Hey there, this is Lee Tigner with Early American Furnishings, and we're here to do a little demonstration with our refurbished bandsaw. This bandsaw was made by the C.H. Wood Company out of Syracuse, New York, sometime probably in the early 20th century. Very little records to indicate exactly where it came from. Found it in a junkyard. We've set this resaw up to be able to process heart pine. This particular piece of heart pine probably started growing sometime in the late 1600s, and most bandsaws would have a hard time getting through something like this. Not this one. That's because I've hooked it up to an 11 horsepower motor. About 5,900 surface feet per minute. I'm having a bit fabricated for it, but for right now, we're just going to put a line on the board and freehand it through. That right there is some of the most beautiful premium heart pine in the world. I don't know. Something about the history just seems to call to me.